Auntie Jojo, I miss you so much, so much, so much, so much. Did you miss the princess, Liam? Yeah, wow. So thank you so much for waiting for me for so long. Who missed me? I miss you so much. I miss you. So guys, look who we have here. We have Liam and what is the name of this? What is the name? Ah, Soldier Boy. This is Soldier Boy. Ah, Soldier Boy. Yes, Soldier Boy. Soldier Boy. We have a friend here. My friend too? Oh, I love him so much. So he's going to dance for us today. So today you're gonna name the days of the week. Are you ready, guys?
Yes!
Ah, what is your favorite day of the week? Mine is Sunday. Because we go to pray, we go to church, we go to sing. Ah, that's my favorite day. What is Oh, that's his favorite. Mine is Soldier Boy, come, Soldier Boy. I want to ask him the days of the week. Okay, what is your favorite? Mine is Monday. Wow, it's okay. Mine is Monday. Monday? Wow. Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Sing about the days of the week.
Let's go!
Wow, this has
Thank you so much, guys, for watching.